Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Canva aesthetic. First, let's establish a strong foundation. Begin by selecting a cohesive color palette, ideally with 3 to 5 colors, to maintain visual harmony across all your designs. Next, choose 2 to 3 complementary fonts that reflect your brand's personality. Finally, always prioritize high-quality images and graphics to elevate your overall aesthetic and make your creations truly stand out. Achieving aesthetic harmony in Canva starts with thoughtful color and font choices. Use a color picker to precisely match your brand's hues, ensuring consistency. When selecting fonts, aim for a strong heading font paired with a clear, readable body font. This contrast creates visual interest while maintaining legibility. Remember, consistent application of your chosen colors and fonts across all elements is key to a polished look. Effective layout and visual balance are crucial for an aesthetic Canva design. Try applying the rule of thirds to create more dynamic and engaging compositions. Ensure you leave plenty of white space around your elements. This prevents clutter and improves readability. Always use Canva's built-in guides and rulers to align everything precisely, giving your designs a professional and clean appearance. These small details make a big difference. To truly elevate your Canva aesthetic, focus on consistent graphics and branding. Build a curated library of graphic elements that perfectly align with your brand style. When using images, apply the same filters or effects across all of them to maintain a unified look. Don't forget to utilize Canva's Brand Kit feature. It allows you to save your colors, fonts, and logos for quick and easy application, ensuring consistent branding every time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.